Mastering, Repeat the Process, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into a very common but crucial phrase in English, repeat the process. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also improve your comprehension of instructions in various contexts. Let's get started. Repeat the process is a phrase that you might come across in various instructions, recipes, tutorials, and many other contexts. It simply means to do the same series of actions again. The word repeat means to do something again, and process refers to a series of actions taken in order to achieve a particular end. Together, they imply doing the same thing over again from the start to the end. This phrase is particularly useful in step-by-step instructions where a certain set of actions needs to be performed multiple times to achieve a result. For example, in cooking recipes, after rolling out the dough, repeat the process with the remaining dough. In technology guides, install the first component, then repeat the process for each additional component. In everyday life, rinse the cloth and repeat the process until the water runs clear. It's a clear, concise way to avoid unnecessary repetition of detailed instructions, making it easier for the reader or listener to follow along. Let's look at some examples to see how repeat the process can be used in different contexts. In education, read the paragraph, summarize it in your own words, and then repeat the process for each paragraph in the article. In fitness, complete the set of exercises, take a 1-minute break, and then repeat the process 2 more times. In art and crafts, fold the paper into halves, cut along the fold, and repeat the process to create multiple layers. Understanding how to use this phrase can significantly improve your ability to follow and give instructions effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, repeat the process. It's a simple yet powerful phrase that can help make instructions clearer and more efficient. Whether you're cooking, studying, or working on a project, knowing how to use this phrase will definitely come in handy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned. See you in our next video. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every phrase you master takes you one step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and never hesitate to repeat the process of learning.